Now this is what I call dry age goodness.
Oh yeah.
Flat on a squid, so they just I don't know the yellow.
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to show you how to remove the stones from a white sea bass. This is one that my buddy caught recently and he's using the cleaver method. That means he's just taking a big knife and one that he doesn't care about because it can bend the blade, and he's just going to bludgeon the area where the stones are located between the first two discs in the spinal column. You can use another tool such as a Dremel, or I know some guys use a hacksaw. If you're just trying to open up the cavity, you really can't break these calcium stones. They're pretty dense. These stones are actually called otoliths, and they help the fish balance in the water, which is pretty cool. And then they also help scientists understand their growth pattern. So kind of like a tree stump, if you cut it in half, these stones, you'll see rings. If it's a really dense ring, that means the fish grew really slowly during that period. And if it's a really opaque ring spaced out, they grew really fast. Really cool. A lot of guys who catch white sea bass like to have mason jars full of these things, but it's really cool that this guy was able to show us how he was able to take out the stones from a white sea bass, so we can do it ourselves the next time. Congrats. Well, congrats on your white sea bass, and I hope this video was helpful to get the stones out. Here's the first stones from my white sea bass. As you can tell, they're a little bit small. Hopefully I can get some of those ginormous ones in the future. I know a lot of spearos who exclusively go for white sea bass have mason jars full, and that's pretty crazy. Another cool thing about these is you can turn them into earrings. I know coastal Native Americans back in the day would use these as earrings, so if you're into jewelry making, that's one other thing you can do with these stones. But if you did find this video helpful, definitely like, share, and subscribe, and let's do this again. Actually, check out this video, or maybe even this video, and I'll see you on the next one. How'd you get that chicharroni on top of that thing?
Dry age, baby.
Yeah.